Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our review session once again. And today, like always, we are going to analyze our three favorite pairs, which are US 100, US 30, and German 40. Right. So here's a little bit of a change with the way that I'm going to review for the remainder of the holidays or for the remainder of the year up until next year. Then I'll start from regular scheduling and regular reviewing, right? As in terms of me drawing out my support and resistance lines in the beginning of the video, then explaining it later on. But like I'm saying now, during the holidays, I'm just going to do this quick review session in and out kind of the approach, right? So let us analyze, without further ado, let us analyze our pairs here. And here we got US 100, right? So as you can see, US 100 yesterday broke our area of value on the daily time frame. It broke above and pushed above that, right? So our next area of value was the support line over here. Sorry, was this support and resistance area over here, right? So if you go down to our 15-minute time frame, we can get an in-depth analysis of what is really going on with this pair, right? So as you can see, today this pair didn't go into my direction. It didn't go in my predicted way that I was waiting for. So this is what happened with price, right? So this is how price played out throughout London session. It broke above this area of resistance, now new support, and was going to retest the support area, right? And as you can see, price did get to that area. And what I was expecting for is to price push down to that area, then push up and test these new previous highs, right? But as you can see, price pushed below, retested and pushed to the downside. And as you can see, that is how price played out, right? So the next play that I was expecting was price to get to this zone over here, then push to the upside. But of course, we will see that happening tomorrow. But what I do predict with this pair is that tomorrow it will come above this range, retest this zone and push to the upside. Whether we're going to be in it early or whether we're going to be able to catch it, I don't know. We'll have to see. The next pair, which was the nice pair that played out today and played out as predicted. So this purple zone over here is our previous highs, the highest high of US 30, the highest price that it's ever been. And what I was expecting today was the following to happen, right? As you can see, this was price broke above our daily area of value, broke above our resistance, now new support. And as you can see, price playing around this area, and this is where I identified London highs, right? So London highs here, we got our support and resistance zone on the 5-minute time frame. So what I was waiting for is either for price to break above this zone, retest and push the upside, or get to the zone, retest the zone, reject the zone and push it upside, right? So as you can see, price pushed all the way to our the previous day's support or previous day's high. As you can see over there, it retested our previous day's high, it rejected that zone and pushed the upside at market open. And as you can see, this is how it played out. So if you did go in earlier on, this was going to be the whole move that you were going to catch on to. The move that I did catch today was this move. I waited for price to break above, close, and show some bullish momentum. And as you can see, it showed a little bit of bullish momentum. And there we go, price bullish momentum, retested that zone and pushed to the upside. And this was the play. So as you can see, the risk to reward wasn't too bad. Very nice risk to reward ratio with this pair. I was expecting it to get to this, but I think we will break these highs later on this week. Then the next pair that I'm going to speak about is German 40, and this was German 40 today. I didn't catch this move, but I did learn a lesson from this move. Is that what I saw was that price broke above this area of value, which is on our daily time frame, right? So price broke above, closed above, right? And this was yesterday. So throughout the evening today, leading towards market open of German 40, we did see price consolidate at this higher level here, right? So what I identified was I identified this consolidation zone, and on the 1 hour time frame I did draw this support and resistance zone, which is normally our 5-minute support and resistance zone, right? And what I saw and what I observed is that price did what I call a shallow retest, right? It did a shallow retest, not a perfect retest as in going there full bodies over here then pushing to the upside. It did a shallow retest and push to the upside. So if you go to a lower time frame, we will see exactly what price did at this zone, right? So as you can see, below this zone over here is where price week. This was the week that we saw on the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see on the 5-minute time frame, price did a perfect retest, retested the zone and showed bullish momentum, right? So what I was waiting for was the break of this zone, right? The break of the zone and the retest of the zone. And as you can see, price pushed bullish here, broke above that zone, retested on the 5-minute time frame, retested that 5-minute support and pushed the upside. And this was the opportunity taken. And as you can see, this wasn't a bad trade at all, which is a nice risk to reward ratio. It's a more than 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And with that being said, I hope, ladies and gentlemen, like always, you guys got value from this video and you learned something new from this video. And I'll be back with another review session tomorrow. Cheers and goodbye.